Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, and to recognize, understand, and influence the emotions of others. In the realm of psychology, emotional intelligence is often marked as a critical factor in both personal and professional success. Now, let's dive deeper into the components of emotional intelligence. It can be broadly divided into four main skills: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. Self-awareness is the skill of being aware of one's own emotions as they occur. This includes recognizing different feelings and being able to label them accurately. For example, self-awareness allows us to understand what triggers feelings of frustration or happiness, which in turn can guide our decisions. Moving on to self-management. This involves managing one's own emotions in healthy ways. It means controlling impulsive feelings and behaviors, managing emotions in constructive ways, and adapting to changing circumstances. Self-management enables us to stay calm under pressure and be flexible as situations evolve. Next is social awareness. This skill helps us to understand the emotions, needs, and concerns of other people, pick up on emotional cues, feel comfortable socially, and recognize the power dynamics in a group or organization. Being socially aware allows us to understand the emotional makeup of other people and how to treat people according to their emotional reactions. The fourth skill, relationship management, involves the ability to develop and maintain good relationships, communicate clearly, inspire and influence others, work well in a team, and manage conflict. For example, relationship management is crucial in workplaces where teamwork is key to achieving goals. It allows for effective leadership and helps resolve conflicts while fostering a positive working environment. Research supports the value of emotional intelligence in various aspects of life. For instance, studies have shown that people with higher emotional intelligence have better mental health, job performance, and leadership skills. This is largely because they are better able to manage stress, have good social relationships, and are effective in resolving conflicts. Additionally, emotional intelligence is essential in education environments. It can influence a student's attitude towards school and their academic achievement. Teachers with high emotional intelligence can create a more positive learning environment, manage classroom behavior effectively, and improve their students' academic performance. In the professional realm, emotional intelligence helps individuals build stronger teams, manage stress, and navigate the complexities of workplace interactions. It enhances decision-making abilities and leadership qualities, which are crucial for career advancement. Overall, the growth of emotional intelligence can foster deeper personal connections, enhance decision-making capabilities, increase personal and professional growth, and lead to a more fulfilling life.